Experience comfort on a budget in Coventry with Apollo House. This lovely student accommodation offers a range of private bedrooms in clustered apartments, all decked out with everything you need to ace your daily grind. Each room features a cozy bed, spacious wardrobe, a study desk, and plenty of storage for all your essentials. The communal kitchen is fully equipped and has a dining area, perfect for rustling up a meal for you and your mates. Plus, all utilities like gas, electricity, and water are already included in your rent. And the cherry on top, super fast Wi-Fi throughout, and it's totally free. If you want to relax and unwind, Apollo House has got you covered with its awesome amenities and communal areas, including a pool table, a large cinema-style screen, and cozy seating area where you can chill with your squad. With Coventry University just a 3-minute drive away, and the University of Warwick just a 10-minute drive away, you'll never have to worry about being late for lectures. And when you're not studying, swing by the lively Riley Sports Bar or check out Planet Ice Coventry for an epic ice skating sesh. So, what are you waiting for? Book your room on amberstudent.com today and experience the ultimate student living at Apollo House.